In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the R value, or the correlation coefficient, for a scatter plot. And so here I've already got a scatter plot already set up, and that comes to us from the previous video that I'm going to link in the upper left-hand corner. Now, since I want to create the correlation coefficient, you have to have a table of X and Y values present. And then what you do is you type in CORR. And anytime you type letters, normally they're going to show up italicized because Desmos doesn't recognize it. But as soon as it recognizes a certain command, it unitalicizes that. So Desmos now understands that. That is a command. And so I type CORR, and what I have to do is I have to type in two things, two sets of data. So I have X1. Now to get the subscript, you don't have to do anything special. Just type X and type 1. And then comma, y, 1. And there it gives me the R value, 0.91. Now, important thing to note is that R value doesn't care about the order. So I could do y1 comma x1, and the answer is going to be the same. So correlation doesn't depend on whether x is first or y is first. It just says how well they relate to each other. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, click the subscribe button. Always remember, the best way to understand something is to do it.